Hello guys. Today is February the 10th. Um Sorry, my voice is kind of like different today because I just recovering from my cough, and I have a fever. That's why I did not do the video for a couple of days. Now, last week I redecorate my aquarium. See, before this one's on this side here, and that one is still there, but I just add another lava stone there, and this little triangle there stone was in the middle. Also, I have two new fish. I call him Jack and Jill. um, Jack is right here on the side, as you can see, hiding. You can barely see it right there. And Jill is somewhere hiding around. She's new. Where is she? Actually, she's right here, right there. See, it's hiding, and there we go. This is all my parrotfish. Actually, when I first bought these two here, Ruby and Max, they were still at this size here. Now look at them right now, they're getting bigger. And Molly is still the same. Keep buttering SpongeBob. And my six platinum parrotfish, they were very happy. The other one's hiding right there somewhere. And that's all my update for now. Later I will buy the 125-gallon aquarium. I will make that video. So see you later.